Hi YouTube, it's my first video so I hope you bear with me. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Coach Page 27 bag. I ordered it off monnierfreres.com and this bag retails for $450 but in my country it retails for the equivalent of $646, so that was a huge difference. But fortunately I managed to find this bag on monnierfreres.com. Plus there was a 10% discount on this, so after the tax and handling it all comes down to about $435 for me, which I think is a good deal. So this is what it comes in. Just in a cardboard box, there are paper bag, some tissue. Unfortunately, there's no separate Coach box or any other type of box for it. The bag comes stored in the Coach 1941 series dust bag. I got this in the color chalk because it was just so beautiful, and I've seen this bag a few times in the boutiques and I've always reached out to it. So it has a very vintage feel to it and the classic turn lock in front. It comes with a strap that you can use for your shoulder, but unfortunately it's too short to be a crossbody. Overall, it's a really beautiful bag and I'm so happy I got it. I'll probably do a review soon after using it for a few weeks or months. Let me know what you think of this bag and what other kind of videos I should make. Thanks for watching!